Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to turn your channel link from this to this and how to properly make a subscribers link for your YouTube channel. This will work even if you're new and can't set a custom channel URL. So let's get into it. First, go to YouTube Studio and click Customization. Then click the basic info. In the channel URL section, you can see your channel link. Copy the link to Notepad and add this to your channel URL. Now let's test it out. Open any internet browser in incognito mode. Copy the link that you have just made and paste it in the browser. As you can see, it works. But do this if you don't want anyone to know this is a subscribers link by shortening it like this. Go to bit.ly.com, create a free account, sign in, and go to Create, choose Link, and paste your link. Then hit Enter. Copy the new shortened link, and voila! Now you have a short link and no one can know that it's a subscribers link, and you can paste it everywhere you like. Subscribe for more videos like this.